Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Your examination for political science is being conducted tomorrow by J.K. Bose. As per information and the model paper that is on the board website, it would be CBSE pattern. In CBSE pattern, passages are asked, map questions are asked, objectives are asked, very short answers, medium type, and long answer type. Better is to download that very pattern from the JK Bose website and have a keen look on it and understand or comprehend the paper fully. Dear students, but the important thing is that you have to memorize the notes, you have to go through the topics so that you can reply to every pattern, whether it is old pattern or it is a new pattern. Important thing is that. Dear students, today we are dealing with the SOC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. And if this question is asked in the examinations, how you can deal with it? If it is asked there to show on the map the countries of SOC. Dear students, SOC, its full form is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. And this was finally formed in 1985 in Bangladesh. Its present membership is 8. I have given the names of these countries who are the members of this South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It is India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, and Afghanistan, the new joining. Dear students, what is the purpose of SOC? The main purpose of this regional organization is to accelerate economic and political development in that region and also have a mutual coexistence. That means we should mutually benefit one another and should not interfere in the internal matters of any country. Their students, its main purpose is to promote or to accelerate the economic growth, the political stability, and the mutual coexistence. Dear students, I am remembering the things, I am repeating the things rather. SOC, its full form is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, and this regional corporation was finally formed in 1985 in Bangladesh, in the capital city of Bangladesh, that is Dhaka. Dear students, its total membership is 8. I am repeating the names of the countries that are in this regional organization: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, and the new joining is Afghanistan. There are 8 countries or 8 political states in SOC. But what is its aim? The, the foremost aim of the SOC is to accelerate economic and the political economic growth or economic development and political stability in the region, and to promote peace and prosperity in the region, and also to promote the idea of mutual coexistence. Dear students, it means that we should not interfere in the internal matters of others, and we should jointly go for the economic prosperity and the political stability of very important region, that is the South Asia. Dear students, this association or this regional corporation has its permanent secretariat in Kathmandu, Nepal, which is the channel of communication which decides the meetings and also hosts, or we can say it is the channel of communication. The secretariat is permanently located in Kathmandu, Nepal. Dear students, if this question is asked relate to locate the SOC countries on the map, how you can handle it? It is so simple. First of all, you have to download the map of Asia from the Google. Remember, everything is digital today. This digital platform that is smoothly functioning. Just click on Google right there on the search what map of Asia, and then you when you download the map of Asia, you have to find there the South Asia. In South Asia, you will find all these countries. All these, whether it's Pakistan, it is India, it is Sri Lanka, it is Bangladesh, it is Maldives, it is Nepal, it is Bhutan, it is Afghanistan. In South Asia, these all fall, and sometimes it is asked to show the countries that are located in the South Asia or that are the members of SOC. So simple you have to keep in the mind, you have to download the map of Asia, and from the map of Asia you have to first see the South Asia and then the location of the different political states, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. This is how you can simply answer that question, and you by putting dots on the location of countries there, thus you are by naming them alphabet A, B, C, D, and below it you can demarcate like this, or you can show like this. A stands for Afghanistan, P stands for Pakistan, C stands for another country. So this is how you can deal with it if it is location is asked. SARC location. Simply, when you put map in front of you, the top of the map is north and the bottom is south. For example, if you are in the classroom and your body is towards the east, and on the east, on the your body is towards the east, that means the sun rising point, and map there is hanging on the wall. The top of the map would be the north and bottom will be the south. And just you have to download the map of Asia, and then you have to you can download even the South Asian map from the Google, and then you can locate at the places or the status of the South Asia. Dear student, this is all about the SARC. Remember, SARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It was finally formed in 1985, and its permanent secretariat is in Kathmandu, Nepal, which is the main channel of communication. And dear students, the foremost objective of this is to accelerate the economic growth, promote peace and prosperity in the region, and also promote the idea of mutual coexistence. This is all about the SOC. Hope you might have grasped the concept. In case of any confusion, do forward your query to me, and within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Thanks. Be blessed.